The Matrix warned us about agents, digital enforcers designed to control the system. But in 2026, the real agents didn't arrive in black suits with earpieces and sunglasses. They arrived in code, silently integrating into every layer of business operations across the world. While we were busy debating whether an AI chatbot could write a decent poem or if AI generated art was real creativity, the architecture of global business quietly broke and rebuilt itself in a way that most people still haven't noticed. We moved from chatbots, simple answer tools that wait for your input, to agentic AI, autonomous systems that don't wait for your commands at all. These aren't tools you talk to and get responses from. These are autonomous systems that act for you on your behalf, making decisions and taking actions without asking permission first. And right now, as you watch this video, they are already making 15% of all major corporate decisions globally. Not recommendations that humans review, not suggestions that get approved, actual decisions that move money, hire people, approve contracts, and reshape operations in real time. Last year, less than 5% of enterprise applications had AI agents embedded in them. By the end of this year, that number is projected to hit 40%. Think about that acceleration. This is a flood sweeping across every industry. This isn't just automation. This is a total redesign of the workforce structure itself, a fundamental reimagining of how organizations operate. We are seeing a huge surge in multi-agent systems, entire teams of specialized AI bots that don't just execute tasks individually. They manage each other, coordinate workflows across departments, optimize supply chains in real time based on thousands of variables, and approve financial trades worth millions of dollars without a human eye ever confirming. These agents don't report to a human manager for every decision. They communicate with each other through APIs and shared databases, exchange information about what they are seeing in their domains, adjust their strategies based on what the other agents are doing, and collectively optimize the entire operation towards a common goal. The implications for the workflow are staggering and are already creating massive disruptions. The traditional corporate pyramid structure with executives at the top making strategic decisions, layers of middle management in the middle coordinating and supervising, and workers at the bottom executing tasks is collapsing before our eyes. The vast layer of middle management that used to be the backbone of every large organization, they are being replaced by what we call silicon managers, AI agents that handle all the coordination, monitoring, routine, decision making, and exception handling that middle management used to do. You are caught in the squeeze. The middle is disappearing, and it's happening faster than most people realize. This isn't a future trend to prepare for. This is the reality of 2026. While small startups and tech-forward companies are scaling overnight with tiny teams powered by massive agent systems, achieving what they would have required hundreds of employees just a few years ago, the legacy giants are stuck. Meanwhile, a startup with 5 employees and a well-designed multi-agent system is outperforming departments of hundreds of employees at the legacy company. The startup moves faster, adopts quickly, makes decisions in hours rather than months, and operates at a fraction of the cost. The gap between the agent-ready companies and the legacy-locked companies has never been wider, and it's growing every single month. But there's a problem. The AI agents, which are running multi-agent systems, running complex reasoning and processing vast amounts of data, they require enormous computing power. Data centers are consuming record amount of electricity just to keep these systems running. But those who have successfully navigated these challenges are getting the output of 100 employees for the payroll of 10 employees. Because AI works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without human fatigue, without emotional bias, agents are now running day-to-day operations. Humans are steering strategy, providing creativity and judgment that agents can't replicate, and managing the agent systems themselves. and everyone is caught in between, is being forced to choose quick. Move up into strategic roles, or move down into AI augmented creative roles, or move out of the workforce entirely. Thanks for watching.